Hello and welcome friends, I am your digital mentor Ankit. So today we are going to start our new topic, Introduction to International Marketing and Export in various countries. So this is the main topic for the digital marketing and very interesting. So watch this video till end, but before watching just subscribe this channel with the bell icon pressed at all notifications so you can get all the videos notifications in your notification bar, and like this video right now. Let's get started. Introduction to International Marketing and Exports. You have heard people talk about the global marketplace, and today digital advertising makes it easy for almost any business to think beyond borders when seeking new customers. We are going to look at the opportunities and realities of international marketing, focusing on how to evaluate international markets for your product and which practical and cultural issues you need to be ready for. Now, let us take an example from Satish Chandra and Dipti Divya at RCS Toys are going to take us through their experience exporting internationally. So, they said, when we introduced online sales, I think the tremendous achievement has been that we have now opened the doors to the customers for over more than 61 countries. When we started the website, international shipping had to be there. We have no country in the world where we don't ship. So yes, Google is now a very integral part of my company. If you take away my name from Google, I might as well go home and retire, actually retire, because it does contribute a large component of my sales. Let's say you have an antique shop with a stellar reputation. Your high-end collection and expertise have helped you stand out and attract an elite customer base. Business is good, but you want to reach more people of those customers. You have eyed some of the markets abroad and reckon it'd be a good move to sell your products in India and beyond. So where do you start? This is the main question for you. First of all, you need to learn about the target market in each area you are considering and find out how best to reach them. For instance, with digital advertising, look at search traffic, competition and pricing. This will give you a clear view of your potential market so you can decide where your products will be received well. You can search, use trends reports, geographic data in your web analytics and marketing insights tool to recognize and help determine which market would be the best place to start expanding your business. Once you know where you want to go, you may need to overcome language barriers, of course. How do you communicate and market to customers and prospects without losing anything in translation? You might need to translate and localize your website's content. Automated translation services are really 100% accurate, so it's probably a good idea to have a native speaker help you confirm the content has the right tone. Your new customers and prospects from different cultures and languages will need to communicate with you too. Be ready from the start with a plan to support those customer service needs. Next, think about your infrastructure and the systems you will need to be properly support your expansions into international markets as well. Don't forget about packaging consideration for fragile components, VAT and any legal or regulatory issues. Once that's resolved, it's time to review your e-commerce and payment solutions. Although many e-commerce systems are able to set up multinational transactions, you will have to customize payment options and other settings. We will discuss this further in a later video. Even with great cross-border e-commerce systems, you will still want to think ahead to the next step. Getting your products to your new international customers, what's required to ship and deliver your orders, what about refunds, customer service and support. Marketing to new customers in international marketing is a exciting prospect and one that could expand your business tremendously. Mapping out your plan in advance sets the stage for success. Are you ready to fully explore international expansion, of course? So, In the next videos, we will explain how to research and validate the market for your products in a new countries. Then we will help you handle translation and localization and discuss the infrastructure and support you need. Finally, we will go over adapting your e-commerce and deliver processes for an international marketing. Stay tuned and your business will be a position for success in these exciting new markets, etc. I hope you like this video. Before and just subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon with the like of this video and share with your friends, of course. Thank you very much. Have a good day.